Hi everybody, I'm Renee from Wanna Scrap, and in today's video I'm going to share some adorable little coffee cup tags slash embellishments that I made using this Art Impressions die. It comes with all these fun pieces, and yeah, I had a lot of fun making these. So for the first one here, isn't that adorable? I just love working with these colors. They turned out so awesome. So this one I made pretty chunky. I used the die here. I used some snow text on around here, some stickles. This tag came with the set with these leaf dies. I just cut them out in like these colors. And I use stickles all around the gingerbread. This is the die I have also. And here, I'll get the die. So yeah, I used this die here. He's so adorable. And wooden pieces. I just painted them all up, you know, to the colors I wanted. And that's where the deer. I used some glitter glass on the sled here. This is a shaker. I'm still practicing making them, but I'm having a lot of fun. And I put stickles all around here and layered it up with a rosette. And I used the a snowflake punch that I have, this one right here. So yeah, I think it turned out so adorable. It's so pretty. And there's lots of dimension here. Oh, and I also used some of that snow kind of tulle. And a snowflake here also I layered up. So that's the first one. And for the second one here, this is so awesome too. I used some stickers, some snow text again there. I put in a eyelet there, or grommet, or whatever it's called. I used this little block stamps. There's a whole bunch of different sizes. On some of them I used, on the tags, I cut this one out in foam. I didn't do it for all of them. But some of it I used, not flocking powder, embossing powder. And there's another wooden piece there. This ice skate I made last year, and I'll put that link in the description box below. And yeah, this was the first one I made, so it kind of came out really flat, and my glue bottle was leaking, and I wasn't there was like glitter everywhere. It's like, why is it all going out of there? But so yeah, I figured out the problem, but that's why there's not very many shaker bits. But I am still playing with this. Oh, and I used a little bit of silver eyelash trim here also. And of course, all of it was made using the Silent Night paper pad. I'm having a lot of fun playing with that. And for the third one here, I made this one a little bit flatter, but I really like how it turned out. There is some dimension with these buttons that I bought years ago. And I just put a snowman sticker on here that I got from the Dollar Tree. There's one of those snowflakes. It comes like a pack of 12 or something in it. And then the Think Snow with the snowflake was the buttons that I just cut the back off. So I think that one turned out adorable too. And for my last one, here it is. I love it. I used the coffee bean from the coffee die set and stickled it up there. I put some flocking powder on the tree and painted some white and pink. I made some little candy pieces using some old wrapping from stickers and that. I just used that cellophane from that and just cut down a straw, and I rolled them in like flocking powder, white flocking powder, to give it more of a Christmas candy kind of effect. And some more wooden pieces. I made a little bow with my bow set, and another one of those snowflakes, and I put a silver snowflake from this set here, and the word burr was off an old sticker set. And this punch here, just one second, I use this punch, which I love it because it's great for goo when it's Halloween, or dripping paint if you're doing a home renovations page, and it's great for dripping frosties like this. So Yeah, I put some flocking powder on this one and some stickles on this one. And a little bit of snow on his head. It's so cute. I absolutely love all these. And I hope you enjoyed this share. And thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you have a great day, and bye for now.